In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix Photoshop sketch disks are full. So, in the beginning, let's try to save the design and check if it works or not. As you can see, we cannot save it. These scratch disks are full. Message show each time. Let's fix it. So, first click on this PC icon and go to your computer drive. We can see this C drive, I mean Windows installation drive is full of data. So let's enter this drive. Here you can see that my C drive is full of unnecessary files. So I will now delete all these unnecessary files. These unnecessary files have been deleted. Now see that the drive has a lots of free space. Now back to Photoshop. Now try to save the design again. Done. Our Photoshop design is saved and the error message is not coming anymore. Thanks a lot for watching the video.